Today I'll be making a giant batch of Floam. Since fall is just around the corner, I'll be making a jack-o'-lantern inspired Floam. I will be using a gallon of glue and then giant Floam beads. Let's get this ginormous Floam started. You guys need to know how excited I am. I'm just so excited. So let's hurry up and make this. Oh, it's heavy, but it's gonna get lighter and lighter each time. Like once it gets empty, it's gonna be nice and light. Ugh. Kind of a lot, but oh well, I like giant stuff. So I'm gonna use red and yellow to make a orange to have a vibrant jack-o'-lantern. Guys, leave a leaf emoji down below if you guys have fall vibes. So now we're just gonna mix it up. We finally got it to turn it orange. It took us a while because a lot of mixing because it's a bigger batch of slime. So let's add in our activator. It's like so satisfying to mix, but it's just gonna be heavy. My favorite thing about fall is that you get to wear sweaters, you get to wear boots, and Halloween, my favorite thing of fall. Guys, this spatula was not gonna cut it. Now I'm in with my hands. It's really heavy. Guys, it took a while to make. Good thing I had a huge thing of activator. So I guess it's time to add in the giant foam beads. Well, foam. Guys, comment down below, what should I name this? It's so satisfying, guys. It's really heavy. Guys, sorry about the lighting. The sun's going down and I haven't got any lights yet, but I will in the future. Guys, I had to have my dad put my hair up. It was just going everywhere while I'm making the slime. We don't need hair in the slime. Time to dump out. Woof. This is ginormous. I think it might need a little bit more foam. I think it may need a little bit more foam. Ugh. It's so heavy, it's stiff, it's hard to poke, it's just like, it's kind of stretchy, it still breaks, it's just like, it's probably gonna melt when we try to make a jack-o'-lantern. Let's see, I'm gonna try to make it turn into a pumpkin. Oh my gosh, guys. This is bigger than my face, combined with my hair and my hands. Guys, this is a lot harder to mold than I thought. It's just like I'm all red in the face, it's hot. Just been trying to work on this, like trying to make it look like a pumpkin. I kind of have to work fast because it's melting because how hot it is, so I need to add the stuff. So, add the other eye. This is Jack's pumpkin head. Got a little damage because how heavy he is, but make this down look perfect. Boom! Well, that's it for today, guys. Till next time for more Eloise in the world. Eloise in the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe.